Hello, today we'll talk about different repository, or you can see the folder structure, or your where is your home directory stored or installed, and how to give the path for that one. So those are the basic details which is very required. So first of all, how you can see, you can go to this system, and if you'll come down system info. Okay, so here under the system input there are many information are available, like current working directory. You can see home directory as well. Okay, Jira home, where is your database, different Jira local directory, you can see it. Jira share directory, you can see. So there are a number of things which are available over here, and you can see it. Okay, how to see in your folder? So let's go to terminal. Okay, clear cd download and Atlassian core ls. So this is my directory where I have downloaded or yes, downloaded or installed my Jira. So you can see all the details over here. So but where is home directory, how I can see, and where that data is? So if you go to cd Atlassian Jira, here you will find different type of folders are available, login, log off, etc. You need to go web inf ls. Here also you need to go classes ls. Here you can see the different details. What you need to do, you need to do Jira application properties. Here you can see Jira.home. So as you can see, if you will pwd, where it is under downloads, where no, it's not a download, where whatever the folder you have installed, it depends on you only. The directory, the Jira home, where you have downloaded Atlassian Jira web enough under the classes, then you will find your Jira home a path. So this is your Jira home path you have to give it, and this is your Jira home. So why this is required, and when it's how should you change it or not? So see, if you are using any version like just 8.20 you are using, and you want to change to 9.4, 9.8, etc. Okay, what you will do, you will just need to download it, extract it, and after the extracting, just change this home page. And if you will giving the home page and just copy the different folders such as import data and whatever the folder is required for your database, etc., then easily you can upgrade it. Automatically it will upgrade from 8.20 to 8.9.4 or whatever version you are using. You just need to change the Jira home, and you need to copy the things. Thank you for watching.